Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to log into MyLoancare account. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, open a web browser of your preference and then go to the URL box and type in myloancare.com and press enter on your keyboard. Doing so will take you to the official site for LoanCare. To log into your account, go to the right hand corner and enter your user ID associated with your LoanCare account. Head over to the password field and type in your password correct, and finally click on sign in order to log into your account. If you don't remember your credential, click on need help signing in and follow through the instructions till the end. So that is how you should be able to access your LoanCare account in just a couple of steps. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.